Hello my dear friends. Now we will be seeing how to install SPSS. Okay, I am going to just do Google browser. I'm going to click IBM SPSS and it will take you to this page, and these are results of IBM. I am going to click this SPSS software IBM. I am clicking here and you can see here it will reach to this particular page. You can see IBM SPSS software. This is the original site of IBM SPSS. So there are two options here: try SPSS statistics for free and try SPSS modular for free. Now we are going to choose this one. Okay, try SPSS statistics for free, and it will lead to this page, the official site. I am going to click my email ID. On 976@gmail.com. So first name Kishore, last name Kullotundan, and let me put my password, and Tamil Nadu. I'm just going to put Tamil Nadu and going to click next. And are you a student? Going to click and no, 9487413378, and just everything is green here, so everything is okay, and I'm going to click next. And verifying mail will be, a code will be sent to my email ID. I need to check it. So yes, I have received it immediately. So new user registration, and this is my code. So I'm going to copy this, copy the code, and coming back to the site, official site of SPSS, I pasted the code. And you can see here, IBM may use my contact data to keep me informed about the product. It's the option. So let me take it by email and create account. So I'm going to proceed. Yes. Now you can see this is IBM ID. So Dr.K.Kishore @gmail.com. There is the product. So you can see our profile. You can afterwards you can upload it. Now you can see IBM SPS statistics subscription trial. Okay. See, now here you can see download, and here you can see manage. I'll just come back to that afterwards. See, this license will expire in 43 days, and you can see you go down. Okay, these are subscription details, trial period, everything is here. So, and after trial version, you can go for this particular the purchase version. Okay, so it is 6,493 per month. Okay, now we'll be downloading the trial version. So I'm my IBM. So download, and now it will ask the type of system. So whether it is for 64-bit or Windows 32-bit, depends upon your system. You have to check it with go to start and see the properties. You can see which bit is that. So 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm going to download for Windows 64-bit. Now you can see it is downloading. So 538 MB. So it will take some time. Yes, you can see here now it is downloaded here. So I'm going to click it. And yes, you can see here, since already IBM Study subscription is up to date. So since I have installed it already, now this is the thing which I have done. So I'm just straight away I'm going to click launch. Okay, launch SPSS. Thank you very much.